The P0101 fault code is usually thought to be the direct indication of the mass airflow sensor fault, but it's the code that indicates issues with airflow, and more often than not it's something other than the MAF sensor. I believe in 7 cases out of 10 in Mazda cars the code is fixed by cleaning the throttle body. Fortunately, in older Mazda vehicles it's a very easy DIY job. The throttle body can be taken off easily, and with a good throttle cleaner or carb cleaner you will spend like half an hour to get the throttle body cleaned properly. The dirt is accumulated near the flap over time, inevitably, and this leads to airflow issues since the flap starts getting stuck when it's closed or nearly closed. This creates airflow anomalies, and the system sets the P0101 code informing you that the amount of air entering the engine is unexpectedly low or high. So cleaning the throttle body is the first thing you should try. It will cost you several dollars for the spray cleaner. After that, there is a more or less common problem with air leaks in the system. The MAF sensor is located near the plastic box with the engine air filter, and if there is a leak down the line in the pipes, like a crack in the pipe or a disconnected fastener, some extra air will enter the engine, and this will make the engine brains go crazy. Inspecting the intake system for air leaks is one more DIY thing you can try when you get this code. And finally, there is a problem with wiring. In all the Mazda 3 models, the connector of the MAF may have a loose wire. Sometimes just disconnecting and then reconnecting the MAF back will fix the code for several hours or days. In this case, you will need professional help to locate the loose wire and resolder it or replace the plug. Of course, before you do this, it's a good idea to get the car inspected by a good scanner with live data. Usually it's an easy task to identify the culprit, and since the new OEM sensor costs over $200, the good inspection is the best step before you buy any parts or pay for any other repairs.